Give me the power, I beg of you!
Hi everyone, just me on my own this time. Just before Christmas I pre-ordered the Chucky doll that's just come out, and he arrived today, and I've been tracking him on my phone with Parcel Force, seeing where he is, and he's finally arrived. Like I say, I ordered him before Christmas on pre-order, and it's the Chucky doll that's made from the mould from Child's Play 2. So these are really, really collectible. Not cheap, but I thought it's got to be worth it, surely. Surely. So I've got a nice little drink. Are you ready to do this? Come on then. Yep, let's do it. So I've got my trusty old craft knife. I don't go well with these. I nearly cut off my thumb off the other day. Let's do it. It's a huge box. Right. Oh, I got this from Mad About Horror. I'll put a little picture up now of the label. And these are really, really good. Right. I'm not even left-handed. Why am I using my left hand? Cookie. I've got really poor lighting in here, so I've got a little light down there and Cookie keeps walking in front of it. Oh, it's another box. It's another box. Right. Put that down there. Huge box. I thought I was just going to get that with him in. So, this one we've got, it's by Trick or Treat Studios, and it's number 787 out of 3,250. It's a bit more cardboard. Oh, this is so cool. It's well packed. I'll show you in a second. Little corner pieces. Look. Well packed. Oh. Right. I'll pull him out by his bag. Oh wow, this is amazing. Look at that. He's absolutely massive. It's huge. Let's get him out of the bag so he can breathe and come alive. There you go. Right. Whoa, this is amazing. Give you a look at all the corners of the boxes. There it says batteries not included. That is not film accurate, but obviously the state we're in today, you have to put the most simplest little things on things, because otherwise people will be like, no, where are my batteries? Whoa, he's ace. It's absolutely amazing. I hope he still comes alive. I can't get over how big he is. He's just awesome. You're amazing. Right, let's get you out. Just look at him there. He is amazing. We've got to get him out. Look, he's being choked. He can't breathe. And he's got an awful hairnet on. Let's get him out. So, Chucky had 2 ties, plastic ties around his neck, his waist, and then he had 4 wire ties. But the good thing is, the wire ties have got like plastic tubing on. Can I get this off? Stay there, Chucks, there. Like that, so they don't actually damage the doll. So that's a good little touch. Come on then, mate. Come on. Whoa. That is amazing. Let's let them luscious locks down. That is, it's quite weighty as well. So it's all sponge. Wow. Can you see? Little dungarees. The lighting's atrocious in here. I'm very sorry. Oh, look. So cute. It's really well made. Should be for the price, like. He is awesome. Well impressed. Very, very, very impressed. Because like, these are your normal dolls that are out. So if you compare sizes, he's huge. He's absolutely amazing. So impressed. Well worth the wait. Well worth saving up for. He's wicked. Love him. So let's take a closer look at Chucky and this awesome film accurate box. Chucky, what you doing there? Oh, why have you got this? You don't need this knife, do you? No. I've told you, get to bed. I left you upstairs. Come on. What's that? You will go and see Aunt Maggie? I'm sorry she's dead. You killed her. No, well impressed. Love him. Oh, he's even... Look. Don't know if you can see it on this camera. He's even got good guy shoelaces. He's got a proper knitted jumper. Oh, love him. Thanks for joining me on the unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If not, sorry. I'll try harder next time. And hello to all our new subscribers. You're amazing. And we'll see you in the next vlog. What's that? No, they will subscribe. They have to subscribe. What? Okay. Chucky says, please subscribe. No, I'm not saying that. Get arrested. Thank you.